The town of Bawang in the province of La Union is situated 250 kilometers north of Metro Manila and can be reached by public transportation through buses plying north, namely Lawag and the city of San Fernando, which is also the capital town of La Union. One of Bawang's 39 barangays is Central West, an urban barangay located a few meters from the public market. In Sitio Kamarungayan, 17 households are beneficiaries of a decentralized wastewater treatment system in a community-based sanitation, or simply called the DEWAT CBS. The Baladad compound has a total population of 103 distributed in 21 families.
May mga criteria na pinagbabasehan upang ma-implement ang isang DWATS. Una sa lahat, ang sanitation problem. Based sa data na nakolek noong 2010, may 15 houses na may 25 families o household na nagsishare sa 6 na toilet. Dahil sa kakulangan ng toilets, maraming mga batang tumatay kung saan-saan dito sa amin. Ito ay maaaring sanhi ng pollution sa aming lugar, sa tubig. Dito rin maaaring magkasakit ang mga tao, lalo na ang mga bata.
The DEWAT system is based on several simple principles. The first stage is the septic tank to float the solid substances of the wastewater. The second stage is the baffled reactor to reduce pollutants in the biological waste without oxygen. The third stage is the anaerobic filter. Here, the bacteria fixed on filter material. The last stage is the horizontal gravel filter consisting of sand, gravel, and plants.
Itong CR na to, naging communal CR na big. Galing sa CR na yan, may pipe na patungo dito sa septic tank na ito. Galing sa septic tank na yan, patungo doon, may mahabang pipe. So, ito po yung inlet. Dito po papasok lahat yung mga wastewater na galing sa mga kabahayan natin. Yung capacity ng wastewater araw-araw is 10 cubic meter. Pagkatapos po dito sa inlet, yun na po yung first module ng ating system. Yun po yung settler. Makikita po natin na may marami pang solid particles na lumulutang sa tubig. Next po na module ay ang ABR. Ang pangalawang bote na to, kung ikumpara po natin sa unang bote, mas malinis po ito. Kasi sa ABR, nandoon na po yung active bacteria natin na kung saan naglilinis sa wastewater natin. Sa last na chamber, yan po yung AF kung saan mas malinis po siya kasi sa AF po may mga filtered gravels na po siya. At ito namang tubig na to ang ginagamit natin para ipapatest yung water natin. Para malaman po natin kung ano ang amount ng BOD or bio-oxygen demand, kung saan before po nung 2010, ang data po natin ng BOD natin dito sa wastewater nila is 300 mg per liter. After 6 months of operation, na-test po natin yung wastewater natin, may 4 mg per liter na lang po siya. Na kung saan napakababa po nito at pumasa po sa standard na 50 mg per liter. So pwede na po itong pangdilig ng halaman at saka panglinis po ng ating pagkain.
Mula doon po sa DEWAT system natin, may tubo po rito na lalabasan po ng treated ng tubig. Dito na po, galing na po, pupunta na po sa labas po.
Malaking tulong ang DEWAT sa agrikultura. Ang tubig na lumalabas sa outlet ng system ay ginagamit namin sa pagdilig ng mga halaman. Noon nagtanim kami ng palay, ito na rin ang ginamit namin sa patubig. Dati 30 kabans ang naani namin na palay. Pero ngayon, dahil sa ginamit namin yung DEWAT system, 45 kabans na yung naani namin.
The DEWATS CBS project is a joint partnership between the local government of Bawang, the provincial government of La Union, the Center for Advanced Philippine Studies or CAPS, the main partner, which tapped the services of Basic Needs Services Philippines and BORDA. BNS BORDA conducted the social preparation, feasibility studies, provided the design, and supervised the actual construction of the model DEWATS.
Now the counterpart of the LGU Bawang is 500,000. CAPS UNEP is 450,000. And BNS BORDA shared 300,000. And Central West, which amounts to 100,000, and 6,375, which came from cash contributions. No?
Ang konseho namin ay nagbigay din ng share sa halagang 10,000 pesos kasi ang bawat bahay dito ay may share din na 425 pesos para yun ang counterpart ng community upang gamitin nila sa pagbili ng mga pipes para may connect ang mga septic tanks ng bagong ginawa para sa mga bahay na walang toilets.
To be participatory, a technical working group or TWG was organized to conduct and assist in consultation meetings with the stakeholders, capacity building programs, and the information and education campaign of the project. It is composed of key personnel from the Municipal Executive Department, representatives from the provincial government, BNS BORDA, and CAPS. It was later on expanded with the inclusion of key officers of the Baladad DEWATS Association and the Barangay Council. Construction of the facility started in November 2010 and it was finally inaugurated and turned over in March 23, 2011. An integral component of a community-based sanitation is the formation of a people's organization, the Baladad DEWATS Association, also in November of 2010.
Ang daming pagbabago sa aming community mula nang na-implement ang DEWATS project dito. Una, may mga toilets na ang mga bahay na wala pa noon at naiwasan na ang open defecation ng mga bata. Naturuan na rin sila kung paano maglinis ng kapaligiran.
Kami ang gumagawa sa paglilinis ng system. Pero ang operation and maintenance ay ginagawa namin once a week. Sa once every 2 months naman, i-check namin kung gaano kakapal ang scam. Dumadali pa ang wastewater patungo sa ibang chamber. Ang once every 2 years naman, dito na rin i-check kung gaano kakapal ang sludge na nasa settler at EBR.
Aside from the community-based sanitation in the Baladad compound, 2 DEWATS facilities were also constructed and presently being used at the municipal slaughterhouse and at the public market.
The municipality of Bawang being the first to have this kind of wastewater treatment in a community. Would like to introduce this to the communities wherein they can be able to share something in the management of the facility, as well as coming together in recognizing or realizing the importance of wastewater treatment. As a program, it is an immediate concern of everybody. And LGU should consider to adopt in its program so that we can already initiate environmental programs like this, then make it successful and then showcase it to other municipalities, and probably they can duplicate it. That will be welcomed by all the communities.